Hello, boils and goyles and non-binary cryptids. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Shadow High doll. Yes, I got another one. I'm very excited. Are you excited? Good. So it's a beautiful day outside and I'm spending it indoors filming a doll unboxing video for you. I should be doing yard work, but I'm not. So if you haven't seen my prior video, I unboxed 2 of the Shadow High dolls in Series 1. I unboxed Chenille and Heather. And today I've got Natasha. Natasha Zima to be exact. You know, Zima, like those clear malt beverages that you used to drink when you were underage in the 90s. I don't know anything about that, Mom. Let's take a look at the packaging here. There's this pretty iridescent thing going on here, and she's got a secondary outfit. And on the side it says Cosmetic Chemistry Focus, which I can get behind because I love makeup. And if you haven't seen any of my makeup videos, go ahead and check some of those out. To go with the iridescent color shifting packages, I am wearing Notoriously Morbid's color shifting eyeshadow in Delight. It shifts from a pretty fuchsia to a gold to a green, and I love it. I highly recommend putting it on with your finger because you get the most payoff that way. Let's continue. On the back it says Rainbow High has officially met its match. Expect the unexpected from the fine art students of Shadow High. Dun dun dun! I'm not sure what that means. As you can tell, she's very white. Everything is white. Her eyes are blue. She's got a little bit of blush. Let's crack her open. I've got my scissors. And this time, I got a knife. A knife. Let's use the knife first. I'm gonna cut these pieces of tape. All of these pieces of tape. This is so much easier to do this way. I'm going to keep doing some doll unboxings for y'all, along with the makeup and maybe later cocktail making. I have a home bar and I have a bunch of recipe books and I really want to try making some stuff. Yeah. Oh, look how easy it came open this time. Oh, there's one more piece of tape. So she's got some crazy flyaway hairs happening. I picked this one out. There were 2. The other one had what appeared to be darker eyeliner. She had darker eyeliner on one side. So here's her secondary outfit. It smells like chemicals. Oh my god, these boots, you guys. Cute! I've got doll hair all over me. So I really like the doll stands. They remind me of Monster High stands, but sturdier and obviously bigger. Natasha, come out of your box. I hate tape, you guys. Let's see if we can take this doll out without having to take the plastic backing off too. It's gonna be like a delicate surgery. Okay, what's holding her in here? Okay, this is the part that I hate. Ugh. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Oh, there she is. Her hair kind of looks weird in the back. There's a lot of gel in it. I think it just looks weird from being in the box. I don't think I'll ever be able to brush through this hair. This doll is definitely going to need her hair washed. So her outfit has like these little feathers all along the top here. She's got this little earrings that with an S and an H on the other side because, you know, everybody displays their high school on their clothing in real life. That's the fantasy. Her joints are kind of stiff, but maybe that might just be because she's new. So like her companions, she has rooted eyelashes and inset acrylic eyes. She's got gorgeous little details like tiny little nails and little knuckle dimples. I can't say that. It's really hard. Let's see. For right now, her little shoes are held on with rubber bands. We will probably be taking those off because I'm going to change her outfit. This outfit's cute, but not as cute as the other one, I think. Just like Chenille, her hair is coming out by the handful. That's good. We like that. Also losing some feathers. Feathers. Ah! I'm gonna pull that out. Some of her hair is caught under where her head attaches to her neck. That's weird. I've never seen a doll that was like that before when I got it. She's got a little flaw on her neck. I don't know what it is, but it appears to be rubbing off, so that's good. That's good. We don't like flaws. We like perfect little dolls on this channel, as fresh as the virgin snow. Okay, I think I got all of her weird neck hairs off. She didn't have the best hair out of the two that were at Target, but I went with the one with the best face up, because you can fix hair, you can't really fix face up. Little background story, I was considering this one when I was at the Walmart with the other two dolls in my hands, but I was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna. I don't know. I'm just gonna get the two. I don't know where I'll put all three. And then almost immediately I was like, I want the other one. Damn it. So we went back to Walmart and it was not in stock anymore. They had sold almost all of them out. When they started, there were 3 of each doll there on the end cap, and only 2 had been sold before I got to them. When I did come back, the only ones that were left was like 2 Ash dolls and like one of the other 2 that I haven't gotten yet. And I told myself I was just going to get these 3, but I think there's the 4th one that I'm going to get too. But I don't want the sporty one, and I don't want the boy, because those ones are not as attractive to me. Let's take her little outfit out. So, her outfit comes in this little box, which is very cute and easy to access. There's a couple little plastic bits holding it in place, but not too much. Ooh, this little coat is so cute. Look, it's all furry. Yeah. And it is held on to the plastic and the outfit with thread. Cool. See, if you're a kid and you get this, you're definitely going to have to get an adult that's not stupid to unbox this for you, because this is really difficult, and it's weird to me because this is supposed to be for kids. Okay, so I just undid 2, and there's 2 more. At least 2 more. And these ones are punched through the skirt. I don't know if you can see because the lights are so bright, but the detail in this coat is just uncanny. There's a loose string. Don't worry, I got it. They're like little beady ribbons going down it. It's very cute. As for the rest of her outfit, there are little tiny beads all over it. This one I think is the cutest, so we're going to put this on her, and I will probably display her in that one. I like the feathers on this one, but this one seems like, I don't know, just so much more cute to me. What I think is what matters, because it's mine. The only thing about their outfits that I have anything to complain about is the size of the Velcro on the back of their skirts. I mean, it really gives them some junk in their trunk. Not that having a big booty is a bad thing. Not that at all. But it makes it look like there's like a load in the pants. Like maybe like she crapped her pants or something. Alright, let's get her naked. Let's take off this little outfit. I cannot get over these nails. They're just awesome. You can poke your eye out with them. Trying not to mess up her hair too much, you know? Let's put on her skirt. And she's got, like, little pearls sewn onto this. The detail in this doll is incredible for the amount that it costs, which I spent $29.99 before tax on her. So this is the outfit. Being all white and these lights are so bright, I don't know if you can actually see the clothes. Let's take off her hands so we can put on her coat. Putting on a coat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to take her hands off to do this, which is scary because that means you can also lose the hands. They're on there pretty good though. They're not as delicate as the Monster High hands, so I only have one Monster High doll of my whole collection with kind of messed up hands. One of my honey swamps has a broken stem on her hand, so it just kind of sits in there. It doesn't really stick. I cannot get this arm through the sleeve. This is a lot of work. It's like giving birth. I can see the head. Okay, let's put the little hands back. Okay, so here's what she looks like in her little coat. Let's make her arms look less weird. Nope, they're just gonna keep looking weird. So let's open the boots. This isn't as opening as easy. Oh, well, there goes my chance of making it collectible. They're not plastic. I thought that they were plastic. She's got little rubber bands holding her current shoes on, and I'm going to remove them. I can't tell the difference between these shoes. I don't think it matters. That went on a lot easier than I thought it would. Woo! So here she is in her alternate outfit. I think that it's the bee's knees. Now looking at it, I kind of think I like the feathery thing better. So I think I'm going to take off her stupid coat and do this whole struggle all over again. Some of her little pearls are coming off of her. They're on my skirt. That's sad. Oh, they came off right in the front there. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's one little con. That's really sad, you guys. You know who she reminds me of is Abby Abominable from Monster High. Yes, these dolls really do remind me of Monster High dolls. I can't help but see the similarities because I have a ton of Monster High dolls. Let's get this coat back on her. This was a chore. The fabric's so soft. Oh, there's two of the little pearls on my table. Let's get her other arm in there. MGA is kind of killing it with the fashion dolls, which is kind of awesome because fashion dolls have kind of taken a back seat to like the surprise blind box stuff, and I think that gimmick is starting to get old and fashion dolls are coming back into fashion. They've got quite a few different lines. They've got the LOL OMG dolls and Rainbow High, and I don't love the LOL OMG dolls, but I was going down a YouTube hole last night about them, and I do appreciate them. I just don't need to have that collection in my life. I have so many dolls. So, I'm not crazy about the big bow in front, but I do like what's going on. Let's get some more of her feathers out here. I like the feathers. Alright, so here she is in the outfit that I picked to display her in. Yes, this will look nice with my other dolls. So she's got great hair, but it's got gel in it. I'm not in love with the gel. I'm probably going to have to wash her hair at some point. It doesn't have the crimping in her hair like the other dolls did from the rubber bands holding her in the box. The pearls on her secondary outfit are very delicate, so watch out for those. A couple of them came off, especially on this little top here. I don't know if you can see, but this is very delicate little mesh. Looked like 3 or 4 of them popped off here. There's 2 on my table and 2 that I had brushed onto the floor, and now I deeply regret that because I'm gonna have to go digging. Maybe I can glue them back on. Her little boots are great. I'm not crazy about the shoes so much. I do like both outfits very much. I didn't think I was gonna like the feathery dress as much as I do, just because it has the big bows on it, and I think the big bows are stupid. But overall, like, I do like the way that the feathers look. She's got a little bracelet on and her little nails, and she's got a little bit of blush on her cheeks, just to kind of give her something, I don't know. Overall, I'm very happy with her. I am going to put her with her sisters on my desk and try to figure out just where the heck I'm going to put them. Yeah, I don't know. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. More doll unboxings are to come. I have a couple that are sitting in my toy room waiting to get unboxed. They're just waiting. Like I said before, I have a butt ton of cocktail books, and I'm ready to start making some cocktails for you if that's what you want to see. Let me know in the comments what kind of stuff you'd like to see me do. I've got a couple ideas, like maybe showing you what my Monster High doll collection looks like, maybe showing you around my toy room, a few things like that. But that does it for this video. Remember to take care of yourselves, be safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.